포켓 몬스터.
Allow me to introduce you the next team, Team USA Restar. The content is Pokemon.
다시 한번 박수를 맞아볼게요. 박수 부탁드립니다.
Hello, ciao, and bonjour. Who's that? It's me, Iono. Welcome back to the Iono Zone. We are live worldwide with another one of my awesome streams. Today we have a special guest. Meet Arvin.
Hello.
Arvin is a student from a prestige Pokemon Academy. He loves making sandwiches and his puppy. We have some fun challenges for you today, Arvin. Are you ready?
Sure.
Challenge number 1. Who's that Pokemon?
That's it? It's just a circle.
The clock is ticking.
I guess I'll give it a guess. Is it a Voltorb?
Wrong. It's a Jigglypuff seen from above. Come on. Everyone knows that one. That's 0 points for you.
Okay, that's just dumb.
And that brings us to challenge number 2. It's time to guess what's in the box. For this challenge, you will place your hands into the box and take a guess on what's inside. Go ahead.
Whatever. Oh, it's slimy. Is it a Ditto?
Wrong. It's a Pikachu.
There's no way that was a Pikachu.
I warned you.
I didn't come here to get picked on.
Oh no! My viewership is dropping! Don't worry. I think you'll really love our next challenge. It's made just for you.
No. I don't want to play any more of your games.
I promise you'll like this one. It's the Make a Sandwich Challenge!
Sandwich making chef?
Yes, it's easy. Just make a sandwich and that's it.
Well, to make the best sandwich, you need a variety of ingredients. First, let's grab our bread. Then let's lay down our cheese. Now some crunchy lettuce. Add some meat to the sandwich. And let's finish it off with some juicy tomato. And there you have it. It's a delicious sandwich.
Ooh, it looks so tasty. Except I kind of like my sandwiches toasted. Oh wait, no! Charmander! Oops, I guess I should stick with the electric type Pokemon.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. I really did try to help you with this one.
Hey, don't worry.
Huh?
Good TV chef always prepares their meals beforehand.
Wow!
Have some.
Yummy! We have a winner!
What did I win?
You won a selfie with the one and only Iono! Come on! Say cheese!
와우. 상큼 발랄하면서 또 즐거운 컨텐츠였습니다. 미국 리스타 팀의 포켓몬 코스프레 컨텐츠를 만나봤습니다. 네, 이제 무대가 또 치워지고 다 무대가 들어오고 있는데요. 오래 기다리신 만큼 정말 또 많은 분들이 준비했던 이 순간 이제 끝으로 가고 있습니다. 15번째 마지막 팀만이 남아 있습니다. 이 팀 컨텐츠 굉장히 저랑도 친숙하고 제가 굉장히 또 사랑하는 컨텐츠네요. 준비가 꽤 필요할 것 같습니다. 3분의 캐릭터가 등장하고요. 자, 국가 지역을 소개해드리도록 하겠습니다. 발트 3국 나치미폰 앤 유고로 팀의 코스프레 컨텐츠의 이름은 추측이 되시나요? 뭘까요? 어디 보였나요? 뒤에 있구나. 잠깐. 그래서 나갔네. 다시 보겠습니다. 발트 3국 나치미폰 앤 유고로 팀의 체인소맨 컨텐츠가 준비되어 있습니다.
Last but not least, let me bring Team Baltic States on stage. Namisupon and Yugoro, and the content is Chainsaw Man.
지코프의 마지막 무대 박수로 맞아주시면 감사하겠습니다. 박수 부탁드립니다.
Oh, Asa, look after Mr. Chicken.
Yes, teacher!
No.
She's a failure. Stop it! Leave me alone! She's so useless. It's almost funny.
Just
Disappeared her.
You're not worthy of living.
Maybe I am not worthy.
Do you wish to change your life?
What? Yes. Yes. I'll do whatever it takes.
You will help me find Chainsaw Man.
But who are you? What have I done?
Don't be afraid of me. We will destroy them all.
Destroy? What are you talking about? I'm just a regular schoolgirl. I wouldn't matter to have friends.
Have friends? You kidding me? You just smashed the one you had. You've been a failure your whole life.
No! Shut up!
Look at yourself. Pathetic.
It's not true!
It is, and you know it is.
Get out! My head!
Chainsaw Man.
What is this feeling? Can it be?
Love? Did you really fall for him? Idiot?
Denji! Help!
Don't worry, I'll deal with him. Because I am Yoru, the War Devil. And for many years, my main goal was to terminate Chainsaw Man.
Asa, where are you?
I'm here, Denji!
What happened? Are you alright?
Yes, Denji. The devil was here, but you arrived just in time to save me. Now, everything will be alright.
징커프의 마지막 무대이자 참가자 15번째였습니다. 발트 3국의 나츠미 포넴 6호로 팀의 체인소맨. 다시 한번 큰 박수 부탁드리겠습니다. 분명히 대본에 적